There is a common misconception that minimalism is synonymous with coldness. When people imagine a minimalist living room, they often picture a sterile white box, hard surfaces, sharp angles, and an atmosphere that feels more like a contemporary art gallery than a home. But true minimalism isn't about creating a vacuum. It is about removing the distractions so that the qualities of the room, the light, the textures, and the comfort can truly shine. The most successful minimalist spaces follow a philosophy often called warm minimalism. This design approach maintains the clean lines and clutter-free surfaces of traditional minimalism but infuses them with organic materials, soft lighting, and tactile layers. The goal is to create a living room that feels expansive yet intimate, curated yet lived in. If your living room feels a little too clinical, here are the simplest and most effective ways to inject warmth and soul back into your minimalist sanctuary. 1. Layers of texture over layers of color. In a minimalist room, you usually work with a restrained color palette: whites, beiges, grays, or muted earth tones. When you can't use a rainbow of colors to create interest, you must use a rainbow of textures. The tactile mix. Introduce materials that beg to be touched. Replace a sleek synthetic rug with a high-pile wool or jute version. Swap out a polyester throw for chunky knit or a heavy linen blanket. The visual weight. Texture adds visual weight to a room. A smooth leather sofa feels cooler and more formal, while a boucle or linen-upholstered sofa feels softer and more inviting. By mixing these surfaces, the room begins to feel three-dimensional and cozy, without needing a single extra piece of furniture. 2. Embrace the organic curve. Traditional minimalism often leans heavily on straight lines and 90-degree angles. While this looks clean, too many sharp edges can make a room feel aggressive. To soften the space, look for organic, curved shapes. The circular anchor. If you have a rectangular sofa and a square rug, try adding a round coffee table or a circular ottoman. Soft architecture. Look for armchairs with rounded backs or floor lamps with arched necks. These feminine lines break up the rigid geometry of a standard apartment, making the flow of the room feel more natural and human-centric. 3. The power of amber lighting. Lighting is the single most important factor in determining the temperature of a room. Most apartments come with overhead boob lights, or recessed LEDs that lean toward a blue, sterile spectrum. The 3-point rule: never rely on the big overhead light. Instead, use 3 sources of warm light at different heights: a floor lamp for reading, a table lamp for mid-level glow, and perhaps a candle or a small LED accent light on a shelf. Warm bulbs. Always check the Kelvin K rating on your light bulbs. For a cozy minimalist living room, aim for 2,700 K to 3,000 K. This provides an amber, golden hour glow that instantly makes white walls feel creamy and inviting rather than stark. 4. Bring the outdoors in thoughtfully. Nature is the ultimate minimalist designer. Nothing adds life and warmth to a room faster than something that is actually alive. However, the minimalist approach to plants is about quality, not quantity. The statement plant. Instead of 20 small succulents cluttering your windowsills, choose one large, structural plant like a bird of paradise, an olive tree, or a fiddle-leaf fig. Organic decor. If you don't have a green thumb, use dried nature. A simple ceramic vase holding a few branches of dried eucalyptus or pampas grass adds height and a soft, muted earthiness to the room without requiring any maintenance. 5. Wood tones. The natural heater. Wood is the secret weapon of warm minimalism. It is a material that carries inherent warmth, history, and texture. Mix your woods. Don't feel like all your wood furniture has to match perfectly. In fact, mixing a light oak coffee table with a slightly darker walnut shelf can make the room feel more curated and less like a showroom. The unfinished look. Look for honed or matte finishes rather than high-gloss lacquers. The more natural the wood looks, the more it contributes to a zen and cozy atmosphere. Even small touches, like a wooden tray on the ottoman or wooden legs on a sofa, can change the room's energy. 6. Curated personal touches, the 80-20 rule. A room with 0 personal items feels like a hotel. A room with too many feels like a storage unit. The minimalist cozy balance follows the 80-20 rule: 80% clean surfaces, 20% meaningful objects. The slow gallery. Instead of a wall full of random prints, choose one large, meaningful piece of art or 3 framed personal photos in oversized mats. Scent as decor. We often forget that warmth is also about scent. A high-quality soy candle in a ceramic jar or a minimalist stone diffuser provides a subtle olfactory layer that makes a room feel finished and personal the moment you walk through the door. The minimalist maintenance of cozy. Cozy doesn't mean cluttered. The biggest risk when trying to make a room warm is that you start adding too many things: pillows, trinkets, and baskets. To keep the minimalist integrity, remember these 3 maintenance tips. The negative space breath. Always leave empty corners. The warmth comes from the contrast between the cozy seating area and the clean, open floor around it. If every corner has a basket or a plant, the room will lose its sense of peace. 2. Hide the tech. Nothing kills a cozy vibe faster than a tangle of black plastic wires or a giant, glowing router. Use cable management boxes or hide your tech behind furniture. When the noise of technology is hidden, the warmth of the decor becomes the focal point. 3. The soft edit. At the end of every season, do a soft edit. Put away the heavy wool blankets in the summer and bring out light linens. By rotating your cozy elements, you keep the room feeling fresh and intentional, rather than letting the layers pile up over time. Conclusion: a home for the soul. Making a minimalist living room feel cozy and warm isn't about buying more stuff. It's about choosing the right stuff. It is about understanding that a home is a place for the body and the mind to rest. By focusing on texture, amber lighting, organic shapes, and natural materials, you transform a minimalist space into a minimalist home. You deserve a living room that feels as light as a feather, but as warm as a hug. When you strip away the excess and focus on the sensory experience of the room, you find that less really is more, especially when it comes to comfort. Final thought. If you sat in your living room right now with your eyes closed, what is the first thing you would want to feel against your skin? A soft rug, a warm breeze, or a heavy blanket? Start your cozy journey with that feeling.